Hi everyone, it's Anastasia, your favorite wellness creator, is back with some epic healthy recipes to make you feel good. It feels so good to be back. I know it's been a minute, 2-year-long minutes. What can I say? Life just got so busy, so full. I got pregnant, then I had a baby, then I honestly just needed some time to rest because it was really hard. But now I'm back and I really want to share a little piece of that journey with you guys. And today I want to show what my husband has been cooking for me, for us during that time. And let's start with this gorgeous lasagna recipe. It's actually my old recipe from the Greenie app that my husband has been using because let's face it, man needs some help in the kitchen. So, you know how sometimes making a huge dish of lasagna just feels like therapy? The smell, the warmth, it's instant comfort. It's funny how something so simple can completely shift your mood. This lasagna kind of became a symbol of that time for me, those days when you have to slow down, even when every part of you wants to keep moving. When I was pregnant and later with the baby, I had to learn to just be still. It was hard for me. I'm used to doing, moving, making, but then someone cooks for you and it hits you. This is care. It's love in the form of food, and even though it's hard to let go, it feels really good to be taken care of. So yeah, it's not just lasagna. It's one of those little moments that remind you it's okay to pause, that slowing down isn't losing time. It's actually healing. I love this lasagna recipe. It's so easy to make. It's packed with flavor. Seriously, it's so good. And actually, it's packed with veggies, so it's kinda good for you. I highly recommend this recipe, you guys. You won't be disappointed. I promise. And then there was tiramisu. He made it from scratch, by the way. Sponge and all. I was honestly impressed. It's actually such a simple treat to make if you have a trusty recipe, but it felt so special that night. There is just something about homemade sweets that hit differently. Creamy, sweet, and a little symbolic, Like this tiny reminder that even in the middle of a chaos, there is still space for joy. And for a really good dessert. If you guys don't have access for the Greenie app, don't worry, I've got you covered. Just check out the description box below. I have a special link for you with a free downloadable PDF with all the recipes from this video. You're welcome. When we had a baby, I took it really seriously, you guys, and I basically stayed in bed for months. Literally, it took me a while to recover. Postpartum is no joke, for sure. There were lots of breakfasts in bed, lots of porridge. I mean, all sorts of porridge, sweet, savory, all of them. But also heaps of toasts. They're just so easy to make, especially if you're using step-by-step instructions on the app. It's a great task for your partner. And honestly, it all comes down to good ingredients. Really, they don't have to be fancy, just fresh, simple, and actually taste great. That's what makes all the difference. So yeah, we enjoyed those toasts in bed. Little things like that made those early days feel a bit easier. Warm food, slow mornings, and just taking it one day at a time. Okay, we've got another sandwich recipe here. What can I say? He likes making sandwiches and he makes them for all of us, so I can't complain. I love them too, and it's kind of a perfect meal for any time of day. Sometimes we have them for brekkie, for lunch, and oftentimes for dinner. It's kind of a family favorite. I was thinking the other day, who came up with the idea of putting things between two slices of bread? I mean, whoever that was, absolute genius, right? And then someone decided to toast it. Even better. I mean, thank you guys.
We've been eating a lot of sandwiches lately. Breakfast once, lunch once, midnight snack once. All of them hit the same. They're easy, warm, familiar, like a little piece of normal life in the middle of all of that. I mean, the newborn phase, parenthood, like, wow, it was so new and so hard and beautiful, yeah, but like really hard. It's funny how food does that, how something so small can make everything feel kinda okay.
I love my matcha. I bet you guys already know that because you probably seen my matcha video. And by the way, I made this cup. Can you imagine? Yeah, when I was pregnant with Lily, I got really into pottery and it was such a great time. I had time for things like that, for pottery. Wow, it feels like my past life. Things have definitely changed, definitely. Actually, you know, guys, I totally forgot to update you on that. We quit drinking coffee. It's been like 2 months since our last cup of coffee, and it's been great. Really, it's been really good. I'm planning to make a whole newsletter about my coffee journey. And if you guys want to learn more, to know more, or just to connect with me, I think it's like the only way to do it because I deleted my Instagram account a year and a half ago. Yeah, maybe not the best idea business-wise, but great idea mental health-wise. So I still have my newsletter and this little YouTube channel, which I'm planning to run a bit more this year.
And last but not least, we've been going through a lot of herbal teas. Anything we can find, like sage, thyme, mint, chamomile, cinnamon, you name it, we probably brewed it. Yeah, it all ends up in the teapot, right? And there is something so grounding about it, especially at night. It's kind of our little nighttime ritual. We just sit, sip, and exhale. No phones, no rush, no plan. It's the quiet kind of moment that reminds you, even when life changes completely, you can still find calm in the small things.
So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up because it really supports my channel, and leave me a comment below. I would like to connect with you guys. Ciao!